Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. We have the topic passive voice of simple present tense. Okay students, we are going to start the topic. We have the passive voice. Now there's a statement of active voice and another statement is with the passive voice. Active voice, you can see there's a subject and action and rest of the sentence. Starting with the example, Myth answers Lauren's question. In this statement, Myth is the subject and answer is an action over here. Now, how we are going to convert active voice into passive? We have to see the placement of action and object and subject. In passive voice, we have, and when we are going to convert into passive voice, we will convert like Lauren's question was answered by Myth. Here we are going to add the by before the agent, and agent is Myth. Okay, see another example, active voice. You stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Passive voice will be the cookie jar was stolen from, sorry, the cookie was stolen from the cookie jar. Okay, now how we are going to convert active into passive? For this I have given you the chart to understand what active is and what is the passive. Okay, active, when we're talking about active voice, that actually tells about the subject, what subject does, and in passive voice we focus on the action, what action is about. Now in the first statement we have subject, verb, object. That is, first statement is an active voice. Now see the subject, the baker, verb, that action is makes. The baker makes, object is bread. Okay, now object is singular, so according to the singular object we are going to convert into passive voice. The passive voice will be bread is made by the baker. Now the bread is the object over here, verb is made, and we have used the third form of the verb made. We have added is as an helping verb because the object is singular. Bread is made by, we are going to add by over this sentence. I haven't placed right now, just this chart is to understand the subject of object. That's why I haven't written by over here right now. Just understand the agent, that is subject, the baker. The baker is subject over here. Now as we have converted active voice into the passive voice, you can see we have placed the object in the place of subject. Bread is made by the baker. Let's see another example. In active voice, the boy kicks the ball, the subject performs the action, and in passive voice, the ball is kicked by the boy. The subject does not perform the action. That is actually the difference between active and passive. Now, in this statement, when you have to look after any of the statement of active, you have to consider the tense, which tense it is, identify the verb, where is the verb, and you have to ask the question. Suppose in this we have who kicks the ball. Now you will easily get the answer of this passive voice. The ball is kicked by the boy. Okay, now another statement. He opens the door. Now he is subject. Verb is open. The door is an object. Now first we're going to take the place of subject. Instead of subject we'll use the object. The door is, because that's a single person. The door is opened by him. Why we have used him over here? Because the subject is he. If there will be she, we'll use her. Okay. Now we see another example. Active voice. Nick reads books every day. Now we can see the books are plural. We are going to use are in the place of is. Books are read. Sorry, there's a past participle form of the verb. Books are read by Nick every day. We have to focus on verb. That will be always the third form of the verb, and according to the singular and plural we are going to use is or are, and we have to focus on the subject and object. This is the actual format of passive voice. Now for the practice, I have given you some statements to convert them into active voice, and another practice sheet I have given to you to convert them into passive voice. Now students, when you're going to solve these two sheets, you will easily understand that whether you are done with the topic or not. Hope you got this lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.